Ito pala pagkain nga namin ngayon, guys. Nag-marinate ako ng kalahating manok para sa lunch namin. Fried chicken siya kasi yan ang ano nung gusto ng amo ko yung way ko ng fried chicken. Kaya yan ang gagawin ko ngayon. So ipiprito ko na siya. Ayan na yung oil niya. Kailangan maraming oil para maganda ang pagkakaluto. So guys, kapag may fried chicken, syempre kailangan may coleslaw, cabbage at saka carrots. Ito naman yung sauce na gawa ko. Mayonnaise, mustard, olive oil, salt and pepper siya, guys. At ito naman, guys, ang potato, roasted potato naman siya. Yan siya, guys. So, ito ang lunch namin today nung amo ko. Kaming dalawa lang naman eh. Apat lang muna ilalagay ko, guys. Yung dalawang breast, tsaka yung thighs and yung drumstick niya. Okay na yan. Yan na siya, guys. Binaligtad ko na siya. Yan. Yummy, guys. Yan. Luto na sila. Yan na sila. Ito na yung first batch. Ito yung second batch. So, yan. Luto na sila. I-rest lang natin sila ng few minutes, guys. Yan. Luto na sila. My fried chicken, guys.
There was more crispiness. Where are they? You ate them?
No.
Maybe.
Rest.
لا لا خلاص كده.
You want more? Feed more.
We ate all together. Sure.
Crunch. Very hot, madam. It's not from the fridge.
I thought it was from the freezer.
Sorry, from the freezer.
خلاص خلاص.
Salad.
بس I need more soup. I can touch it.
What do you want?
Sauce.
For the salad?
شو قالوا لا لا توم. تنين. هذا استري garlic.
Yan, kumakain na yung amo ko.
Karen, what are you doing?
I'm sure. Yan. Kain tayo, guys. Juicy siya. Mm.